A mixture of the desire to be self-sufficient and to do the right thing for the farm environment, together with the dream of dumping the power company, has led us to add more solar panels to power the farm and the farmhouse. The extra 5.5 kilowatts installed here complements the original 2 kilowatts on the house and the solar hot water. But the real key to our upgrade is the Tesla Powerwall 2 battery, which powers us through the night or through blackouts. The system can then provide a three-way split between solar energy, stored battery energy, or grid-supplied energy. At the time I recorded this video of the Tesla app, our solar was producing over 5 kilowatts, of which the farm was only using less than 1 kilowatt, so the remaining power was being used to charge the battery. When the battery is full or being charged at the maximum rate, then the remainder is sold to the power company. Today hasn't been a great solar day. Without clouds, this graph would be a smooth bell-shaped curve. But such is life, and the day is not over yet. This is an important bit. Despite the day, we bought and sold diddly squat from the grid. And note that we use over 20 kilowatts a day. Actually, the whole week hasn't been so good, but even so, we only bought 15 kilowatts from the grid and we sold them 44. So, what happens when the sun goes down? The Powerwall supplies us with the energy we need. So, we'll see how it goes this summer, and then perhaps the real test will be this coming Tasmanian winter.